Beyond the beaten path high up in the mountains lie some of the world's most enchanting hidden gems. In a world where the hustle and bustle of city life often leaves us yearning for serenity, the allure of the mountains emerges as a soothing balm. But today, we're not just talking about any mountains. We're venturing off the well-trodden paths, past the popular resorts and into the heart of the wilderness, where the air is fresher, the views are more breathtaking, and the experiences are uniquely yours. These hidden gems we're about to unveil are tucked away in some of the most spectacular mountainous regions of the world. They're the places that don't make it to the front page of travel guides, yet they're brimming with charm and adventure. They're the spots less crowded, where you're not just another face in the crowd, but a true explorer, discovering the uncharted. Each of these destinations offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether it's a secluded mountain lodge offering panoramic views of snow-capped peaks, or a rustic village nestled in a lush green valley, these places are sure to captivate your senses. And it's not just about the scenery. These hideaways offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in local cultures, to taste traditional foods that have been passed down through generations, to listen to folklore whispered under starlit skies, and to engage in thrilling activities that make your heart race and your spirits soar. The beauty of these hidden gems is that they're not bound by seasons. Each time of the year unveils a different facet of their charm, be it the vibrant hues of spring, the lush greenery of summer, the fiery colors of autumn, or the serene white blanket of winter. So pack your bags and prepare to elevate your travel experience. It's time to step away from the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary, to lose yourself in the magic of the mountains, and to discover places and experiences that will etch themselves onto your soul forever. These hidden gems are not just places, they are experiences waiting to be discovered and cherished. Our first stop is the secluded and serene mountain town of Murren, Switzerland. This car-free paradise is an oasis of tranquility nestled high in the Swiss Alps. Imagine waking up to the sound of cowbells echoing through the valleys, and the sight of the sun casting a golden glow on the snow-capped peaks. Murren's charm lies not just in its panoramic views, but also in its rich history and inviting culture. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and where every winding path tells a story. Next, we journey to the untouched beauty of the Aoraki Mount Cook National Park in New Zealand. It's a place where the sky meets the earth in an awe-inspiring spectacle of nature's grandeur. The park's unique attributes are its towering peaks and clear blue lakes, a testament to the power and beauty of Mother Nature. The local Maori culture, with its deep respect for the land, adds a deeper layer of richness to the experience. Our final destination is the remote and rugged beauty of the Brooks Range in Alaska. This mountain range, one of the last truly wild places on Earth, offers an unparalleled experience for those seeking solitude and adventure. It's a place where you can hike for days without seeing another soul, where the only sounds are the whisper of the wind and the call of the wild. The history of the Brooks Range is written in its landscapes, from the ancient caribou trails to the remnants of Gold Rush-era settlements. Each of these locations offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. Whether you're basking in the quiet beauty of Murren, exploring the rugged landscapes of Aoraki, or stepping back in time in the Brooks Range, you're not just visiting a place. You're immersing yourself in an experience, a journey that transcends the ordinary and touches the soul. So pack your bags and let your spirit of adventure guide you to these hidden treasures, waiting to be unearthed. Finding the right place to stay is crucial when you're exploring these hidden gems. Indeed, the choice of accommodation can make or break your mountain getaway. Whether it's a rustic lodge nestled in the wilderness or a luxurious resort perched on a hilltop, the options are as varied as the landscapes themselves. Let's start with the rustic lodges. These are places where you can truly feel a part of the nature surrounding you. The very essence of these lodges is in their simplicity. They often feature local architectural styles, using timber and stone sourced from the surrounding areas. Picture a cozy log cabin, a roaring fire, and a cup of hot cocoa after a day's hike. Quite enticing, isn't it? Now, if luxury is what you're after, then the mountain resorts are your go-to places. These resorts offer a different kind of mountain experience, one that involves plush beds, gourmet meals, and panoramic views right from your balcony. Some even have infinity pools that seem to blend seamlessly into the sky, providing an awe-inspiring view of the mountains. But what really sets these accommodations apart, whether it's a rustic lodge or a luxury resort, are the spectacular views they offer. Imagine waking up to a breathtaking mountain sunrise right from the comfort of your bed, or sipping a cup of local brew as you watch the sunset paint the sky in hues of red and orange. And then there are the starry nights. With little to no light pollution, the mountainous regions offer some of the best stargazing opportunities. Some accommodations even offer telescopes for their guests. Imagine having the Milky Way as your nightlight. So whether you prefer the rustic charm of a lodge or the lavish comforts of a resort, the mountains have something to cater to every taste. The choice of accommodation can truly enhance your mountain getaway, providing not just a roof over your head, but a roof over the sky. When you wake up to a mountain sunrise, you'll know you've chosen the right place to stay. Exploring new places is not complete without savoring the local cuisine. Imagine you have just returned from a vigorous day of mountain exploring. You're in the heart of the mountains where the air is crisp, the water is pure, and the food simply divine. The mountains are not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the palate. Let's start our culinary journey in the Swiss Alps. Here you'll find a hearty dish called raclette. It's a semi-hard cheese that's warmed and then scraped onto boiled potatoes, pickles and onions. The cheese, made from the milk of cows grazing on alpine pastures, has a distinct, creamy and nutty flavor. This dish is a testament to the simplicity and resourcefulness of mountain life. Next, let's travel to the Himalayas, where the staple food is dal bhat. This Nepalese dish consists of lentil soup served over steamed rice. It's often accompanied by a variety of pickles, curd, and sometimes meat. The lentils provide much-needed protein for the physically demanding mountain life, while the rice offers energy sustenance. Dal bhat is a reflection of the Himalayan people's resilience and adaptability. Now let's head to the Andes, where you'll find kai or guinea pig as a traditional dish. It's usually served whole and roasted with a side of potatoes and corn. This is a delicacy that has been part of the Andean diet for thousands of years, showcasing the region's rich history and tradition. Finally, let's make our way to the Rocky Mountains. Here you'll find bison steak, a lean and flavorful meat that's often served with wild berries and vegetables. Bison, a symbol of the American West, offers a taste of the rugged wilderness that defines this mountain range. Each of these dishes tells a story of the people, their culture, and their relationship with the mountains. They reveal the essence of life high above sea level, where the earth meets the sky. Trying these dishes is like tasting a piece of the mountains themselves. Knowing the best time to visit these hidden gems can enhance your experience significantly. Timing is everything, and when it comes to mountain escapes, it's no different. Let's start with our first location, the serene haven of the Dolomites in Italy. While the Dolomites are a sight to behold throughout the year, the summer months from June to August offer the perfect balance of warm weather and lesser crowds. This is the perfect time to indulge in a hike or simply soak up the beauty of the wildflowers in bloom. We then move on to the rugged beauty of Patagonia in Argentina. The best time to visit is during their summer, from December to March. The weather is pleasant, and this is also when the region hosts its vibrant local festivals. Imagine immersing yourself in the local culture amidst the backdrop of stunning mountain ranges. Next, we have the majestic Himalayas in Nepal. The pre-monsoon period, from March to May, and the post-monsoon period, from September to November, are ideal for visiting. These months offer clear skies and moderate temperatures, perfect for trekking. It's also a time when the region is less crowded with tourists, allowing you to truly connect with the tranquility of the mountains. For those of you drawn to the mystique of the Scottish Highlands, the months of May and September are the most favourable. The weather is mild, and the midges' tiny biting insects are less active. Plus, you'll find the highlands less crowded, allowing for a more peaceful exploration. Finally, the picturesque Rockies in Canada are best visited during the summer from June to August. This is when the wildlife is most active and the trails are free from snow. It's also a great time to enjoy the local festivals and events. With the right timing, you can make the most of your mountain escape. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey and the experiences along the way. A few tips and tricks can go a long way in making your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Before you embark on your mountain adventure, it's essential to pack smart. Consider your destination's climate and the time of year. Dressing in layers is a proven strategy for tackling the unpredictable mountain weather. Start with moisture-wicking garments close to your skin, add insulating layers, and finish with a waterproof, windproof outer shell. Don't forget your comfortable hiking boots and a trusty pair of gloves. When it comes to local customs, do your homework. Respect for local cultures not only enriches your travel experience but also fosters a positive relationship with the inhabitants of these hidden gems. For instance, in some mountain communities, it's customary to greet everyone you meet on the trails. A simple nod or a warm hello can go a long way. As for navigating the terrain, a quality topographic map and compass are indispensable. While technology is handy, don't rely solely on your smartphone or GPS. Batteries can die, and signals can be weak or non-existent in remote mountain areas. And remember, altitude can affect you in unexpected ways. Hydrate more than you think you need to, and take it slow. Give your body time to adjust to the thinner air. Pack some snacks high in carbohydrates to keep your energy levels up while hiking. In terms of wildlife, keep a safe distance. Remember, you are a guest in their home. Avoid feeding animals as it can harm their health and alter natural behaviors. Lastly, leave no trace. Carry a reusable water bottle, avoid single-use plastics, and pack out all your trash. These small actions can have a significant impact on preserving these beautiful locations for future generations to enjoy. Armed with these tips, you're ready to embark on your mountain adventure. Our journey through the hidden gems of the mountains has only just begun. And what a journey it promises to be. Let's take a moment to reflect on the treasures we've unearthed. We've traversed the globe from the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the rugged cliffs of the Andes, unveiling the mystery of these hidden gems. In our exploration, we've discovered places that offer a roof over the sky, where you can sleep under the stars, cocooned in the serenity of nature. We've found accommodations that go beyond the ordinary, that immerse you in the beauty of the mountains, allowing you to live among the clouds. We've also savored a taste of the mountains, sampling local delicacies that are as unique as the locations themselves. From hearty stews cooked over open fires to fresh, aromatic herbs picked straight from the mountainsides, we've experienced a culinary journey that is as breathtaking as the views. And who can forget the importance of timing? We've learned that the best times to visit these hidden treasures vary greatly depending on the location. Some locations reveal their true beauty in the harshness of winter, while others bask in the glory of the summer sun. Timing, as they say, is indeed everything. We've also gathered a wealth of tips and tricks to make your journey smoother. From the importance of acclimatization in high altitudes to the need for appropriate gear, we've shared insights that will help you navigate these mountainous terrains with ease. But remember, this journey is not just about following in our footsteps. It's about forging your own path, making your own discoveries. It's about exploring these destinations in your own unique way. These mountains have countless secrets to reveal, countless stories to tell, and they're waiting for you to uncover them. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and set your sights on these hidden gems. Whether you're an avid mountaineer or a casual hiker, there's a mountain out there that's perfect for you. There's a trail waiting to be blazed, a peak waiting to be conquered. And as you stand on that peak, looking out over the world below, remember this: the mountains are not just a place. They're a journey of discovery, of adventure, of personal growth. They're a testament to the beauty of our planet and the spirit of exploration that lies within us all. So go ahead, venture into the unknown and uncover the treasures of the mountains for yourself. Now that you've discovered these hidden mountain gems, it's time to take action. Start by planning your very own mountain adventure. Grab a map, do your research, and let your imagination soar. Consider the tips and tricks we've shared and pick a mountain that calls to you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to these hidden treasures. Each mountain has its own unique charm, its own unique story, and there's a story out there waiting for you to discover. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, hidden gems, and mountain adventures. We'll be exploring more breathtaking locations, sharing more insider tips, and uncovering more hidden treasures. So make sure you don't miss out. And finally, we want to hear from you. Share your own mountain experiences in the comments below. Tell us about the hidden gems you've discovered, the challenges you've overcome, the breathtaking views you've witnessed. Your stories inspire us and they inspire our community. So don't just dream about the mountains, go out and explore them. The mountains are calling and you must go. Embrace the journey. Embrace the adventure. The world is full of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered, and your journey begins now. Happy exploring!